Imagine trying to figure out where your child will live after a separation, feeling lost and unsure. You are not alone, and there is a clear path forward. A child arrangements order is a decision made by the family court that sets out where a child will live and how much time they will spend with each parent. Think of it as a plan that puts the child's needs first. There are two main parts to the order. The first part decides who the child will live with most of the time. This is often called the live-with arrangement. The second part decides when the child will spend time with the other parent, including weekends, holidays, and special occasions. Both parts work together to give the child stability and a routine that feels safe. When the court makes this decision, it looks at what is best for the child using a simple guide called the welfare checklist. The judge will consider the child's own wishes and feelings, taking into account their age and understanding. They will look at the child's physical, emotional, and educational needs. They will think about the likely effect of any change in the child's circumstances. They will consider the child's age, sex, background, and any characteristics that the court thinks relevant. They will assess any harm the child has suffered or is at risk of suffering. Finally, they will look at how capable each parent is of meeting the child's needs. To ask for a child arrangements order, you start by trying to agree with the other parent. If you cannot agree, you must attend a mediation information and assessment meeting, known as a MAM, unless there is a reason you are exempt. After that, you fill out a form called the C-100 and send it to your local family court. You will need to pay a fee unless you qualify for help with costs. The court will then set a date for a first hearing. At the hearing, a specialist called a CAFCASS officer may meet with you and the child to gather information. The judge will listen to everyone and then make a decision based on the welfare checklist. Once the order is in place, both parents are expected to follow it. If one parent does not stick to the agreed arrangements, the other parent can go back to court. The court can vary the order, make an enforcement order, or, in serious cases, consider sanctions such as fines or, rarely, imprisonment. The goal is always to protect the child's well-being and keep the arrangement working for everyone. You do not have to navigate this alone. Keeping track of dates, forms and notes can make the process feel less overwhelming. Visit mycaseorganizer.com for free tools to help organize your case, from checklists to timelines, so you can focus on what matters most, your child's future.